Hello students.
Hello, sir.
Welcome to the Center of Excellence in the Aeronautical Vehicle Laboratory. This facility is one of the facilities that is available in SNS institutions, and welcome to the lecture. So let us have a design thinking based lecture here. So design thinking we use a concept where we use empathy, define, ideate, prototype and testing. Now I am going to place a theme in front of you. Here for today's lecture, our theme is about pollution. So what is pollution? What are the things that cause pollution?
Sir, there are pollutions like noise pollution, noise pollution, light pollution, etc. Basically, pollution in the country caused by vehicles. We use mineral combustion vehicle, which causes pollution in the vehicle.
Very good. We can answer for pollution.
Mainly the pollution is air pollution because it causes the global warming and we reduce the fossil fuel. Dependency for fossil fuel, so we can convert it to that we can reduce the energy and use and the burning process.
Yes, good. Here is a about fossil fuel. Any other answer about pollution? See, actually, what happens here is, as you told the empathy part, here, pollution is a major thing in the world, right? Here, yesterday, I got into a lecture. There, they are discussing about the quantity of waste that is produced by the human being. A rural background, urban background people are comparing. A man is capable of producing 700 grams of waste per day. Imagine if it is for his lifetime, then how many tons for a particular person. Likewise, if you see pollution, that is waste. If you see pollution, I would like to give an example here. Right? In my home, I am having one scooter, one bike, and one car. Right? So if you account on all the people, if you take how many vehicles you have in your home?
So,
Only one. How many? 4. 1, 2, 3. So if we sum up all our terms, it adds up to 15. Right? So what happens here is all the vehicles are polluting the environment. They emit carbon monoxide, right? CO2, carbon monoxide, right? And hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxide. So these are very harmful to the human beings. They cause respiratory issues, right? In Delhi, you can see the air quality index. What is the air quality index? It is very poor, gone above 400, right? Nowadays, the automakers, they produce vehicles inbuilt air purifier, right? That is an inbuilt term, that is inbuilt in the vehicle nowadays, high-end models. Because that is how it purifies the air. Because human being nowadays, in the next generation, it will be very difficult to survive and sustain, right? So that is why the government has taken stringent norms on pollution, and now they are banning the vehicles, right? So that is why in Delhi they don't use any polluting vehicles and diesel vehicles, right? Only CNG vehicles are only permitted to drive inside the city, right? So the major cause is the automobiles. So if you think of automobiles, what happens here is we should be processing and designing our vehicles. So if you go for electric vehicle, so this laboratory is one of the laboratory which can give you interest towards electric vehicle. Not only buying a new vehicle, it is converting an existing vehicle into an existing IC engine, internal combustion vehicle into an electric vehicle. Right? So you can see this vehicle. This is one of the live example, right? This is created by means of this conceptual thinking or design thinking approach, right? You can see this auto, right? So there, what they did is they eliminated all the moving components and they replaced by means of wire, that is drive by wire. And nowadays it is called electric vehicle, right? So all the things are electronic. There is no mechanical component. So the engine is replaced by the motor, right? The fuel tank is replaced by the battery, and the throttle is replaced by the controller. So this is how it does. So there is no pollution. So this battery is having a harmful things inside, right? But whereas these harmful things can be recycled and reused by the industry. So that is why we promote this laboratory for all the young enthusiastic engineers to use electric vehicle, right? This electric vehicle is nowadays a booming feature, and people, if you see the kilometer run cost, so if you see the kilometer, right, the traveling cost per kilometer for petrol is 6 rupees to 8 rupees, depending upon the type of automobile, right? Whereas if you see the electric vehicle, it is only 2 to 3 rupees. If you compare the cost, what happens is the running cost is nearly half it is reduced in the electric vehicle. So try to incorporate all the changes nowadays and try to fit in the electric vehicle, right? So you no need to buy a new vehicle. Instead you can convert the existing vehicle into an electric vehicle. So in the upcoming lectures we will see how the design thinking concept can be utilized for converting the IC engine vehicle into an electric vehicle. So that is called a retrofitting concept. In the upcoming lecture we will see about it. Thank you.